SMF MMTs, we're going to be talking about the gap down list on the NYSE. Now, one of the things that we look at doing is taking a look at GSK right here. That's right here in the level 2, GlaxoSmithKline. Okay, 6,300 shares traded. This one here trades good off the bottom when it gets put in your SMF platform. All right, so watch that one there. When you're buying off the bottom, and the system will tell you how strong it will be. And as long as that is working, then you'll let it run higher to the next teeny levels. Okay? So basically, FCX, this one trades very good off the bottom. Likes to come down into the lower teeny area. It will hit that price. You'll see a big green bar right next to it. The minute that you see that it's going above half of that and holding, bam, that's your entry, MMT. That's your entry. And then your platform will tell you what the 369 following the breakout. Okay, so basically, that's how this one's going to be here. Another one that we might want to look at would be this one over here. This is that gold miners right here. AEM. We've traded it several different times. It has a good bounce as well. You can at least take out, let's say, 1,500 shares. You'll take out a good 70 cents all day long in this one here. Okay? Volume's only 521 shares at the moment. But somebody should watch that. Let's take a look at one of the home builders, because you have everything in your upgrades and your downgrades. KB Homes was downgraded only, so very narrow range, but you can make money. You have to have both the top short and the bottom buy off of the lower end so that you can make money at it. You have to get paid twice, long and short. And you have to have heavy volume. So these trades here require at least 5,000 share entries for those MMTs who qualify. This would be the one that you could do, and you're still going to take at least, well, let's say 20 pennies. Maybe if they slide half of that bar, that turns into like 60 pennies. Now that's a $3,000 trade. Anyways, but that would be if it exactly hit those price points. So let's make that clear. What else would we be looking at here? Now, some of them are going to be weak and shortable. So during the trading day, because right now it's pre-market, let's take a look at Target. Target is a good little stock. It likes to bounce off the bottoms. When it does bounce off that lower bottom in price action, it's good for 70 cents. On the first part of that opening bar, you can get that off of that bottom. Down there in the lower part of the pricing tier. So we already talked about Target. Target is one that has like I said, it has a range there that you can trade. So MMT should look at that. Now, over here, let's take a look at the Newmont Mining, another miner. Now, when this one goes up and hits resistances, what it does, it'll slide half of that bar. And the times that you want to short it is when you're in at that half of that bar, you don't close above it, and then the bid here drops in price, and then the short is working for you nicely. let's take a look at another one. Would you like to look at IBM or some of the other MMTs? You already got only 2,800 pre-market volume. Time happens to be 5:46 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And today's date, 9/28/2010. So we got great possibilities here on ideas, but like this one here, Barrick Gold ABX, this one likes to come down and make price and good bounce down really good, about probably 90 pennies on a good day. Through a breakout above that would be $1.40 to the upside on the second tier. Then there's that, easy, smooth 70 pennies. So if you're doing 3,000 shares and you make 70 cents, that's $2,100. MMTs. This one does it, has a nice range for it. Okay. And remember, this is the gap open down list on the NYSE. So basically, great opportunities for MMTs, SMF MMTs, to start finding their price action and their market maker entry spreads, long and short, short then long, or whatever it does. Left elbow gap downs, remember to always buy those. So some of these are left elbow gap downs that like to move in price. So watch Barrick Gold. That's one that you can trade. That's the list for now.